statement. That statement perfectly encapsulates this last year.
What, babies are disgusting?
Well, that, and that people are literally just gonna say, fuck it, I'm gonna do what I want regardless of what's better for people around me.
Yeah.
I realize we're getting the State of the Union right now.
A lot of alcohol.
Oh, I got you, dude.
Alcohol kills Corona. It's mad.
Do it.
Hey, I'm a DK, bro. I don't give a shit about that stuff.
5.
Alcohol can't kill an already dead liver.
Best thing for Corona is just 2 limes.
2 lines?
Yeah, of Coke.
I'm taunting the boss right now.
Alright, so 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Three and 4, make sure you're in position. Look for the marker of your tank.
Four.
Ravage coming up.
2. 1.
Beware.
Alright, so are you guys popping salve at the exact same time?
I
Probably.
guess that's just where I always pop it. But it's up by the 3rd phase.
Yeah, alright, so Corval's got this one covered. He's got his wings gone.
I've been trying to pop it when other people aren't.
You can use Divine Hymn on this next one, Ecto.
Slow DPS.
3 and 4.
On ads.
Don't DPS the boss. Watch the cross, don't be in it. Alright. Don't DPS the boss, we're chilling.
2. 1.
Dodge should take it a little lower. Alright, we'll DPS when it starts casting. Don't do anything yet.
3, 2, 1.
You can start.
Beware. Beware.
Perfect.
I'm gonna need a pull. Because I suck.
Mark condom.
They said my name for a second.
4. 3. Two.
That was clean. Nice work.
That was really good. Alright, Life Cow, when we get the ads, can you use your Healing Tide Totem? Ruby, hold on to your Divine Hymn. What is currently the cooldown of your salvation?
12 minutes.
Alright, watch your feet. And here it comes again. Alright, next one's dropping. Hand's coming out in 5 seconds.
If you do a taunt swap instantly while staying next to the portal, it'll yank everybody to the portal.
Run away, little girl. Run away.
Alright, stand by. Wait for Impale. Go.
We're back through. We're finishing the last range ad. Watch the frontal on the tank.
Thief should have the sword by now.
Finish the range ad.
I don't know what happened to that Impale, but okay.
Watch yourselves. We're doing great.
Right, please.
Impale's out.
Run away, little girl.
We run through and we stay through.
Cunt.
Ruby, can you divine him here?
Beware.
Focus the boss. Watch your feet. Just live through this and we'll do great.
Boss is almost phasing.
Yep. Get ready to run to mid. We're going to mid.
Ecto's gonna need a res in a little.
Yeah, definitely get Ecto as soon as humanly possible. And we can get Solus too, we have 2 reses.
Save the second.
Tanks
save
bring
the
it to
second
skull.
res.
Tanks bring it to skull. The first Devo should be Akios, I believe.
Careful
right?
with this
So
knockback.
Akios,
Careful
Devo
with this
here.
knockback.
Perfect. Except for the people knocked off. We're gonna need beef up. Get beef. This Hand of Destruction needs to be the other Devo. So, personal defenses and Devo, anything you need to. We need to lift this. Finish the Crimson Kabbalist. We can start healing again. Dodge. Help your healers, heal yourself for a second.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
Go ahead and start rolling wings, Akios on this one, up for the shattering.
Knock back.
Knock back.
We're gonna get these things
Near
in
melee.
melee. Just close to each other,
Everybody
we can pull the
in
boss to them. Just get these big circles out. Looking good. Looking good. Keep soaking. Move to the next soak spots. We're doing great. There's gonna be a knockback here in a second.
Knockback.
Here comes the knockback.
Beware.
Massacre.
There's massacre.
Pots,
Soak
you haven't
these
used them
when you
yet.
can.
Just dodge. Just dodge. Now you can start soaking if you're able. As soon as this is over, everybody needs to soak. Everybody soaking, finish it.
Pots if you haven't used them.
Beware.
Alright, after this knockback's the Hand of Destruction, so pull the boss. Pull him into a corner.
Run away, little girl.
Beef rally now before it goes off. Perfect.
When do you all wings?
Alright, we're soaking. Corbolo,
4,
pop your wings.
3, 2, 1.
Beware.
This is the one we get knocked out of.
Beware.
You can chill and just make sure you use the knockback. Don't get knocked into the corner. Good job. There's a Hand of Destruction coming up. Everybody's focusing on these soaks though. Drop them in decent places.
Gonna
Soaking.
get these soaks.
Great healing tide life cap. Finish the soaks, finish the soaks. Finish the soaks. Good job. There's a Shattering Pain coming up.
Beware.
Ruby, go
Pop
ahead.
pot if
You're
you have
getting
it. Health
interrupted.
cookies.
Okay, really good, Ruby. The closest healing cooldown we have is Akios, unless we have a salvation that I can't see.
Soak.
Let's get these. The
Everybody's
massacres
soaking.
coming.
Soak and dodge. We have to finish this during the thing. Good job, good job.
Good job,
Kill the
guys.
boss.
Knock
Defenses,
back.
if you have them. Beautifully
There
done,
you
guys.
go.
What?
Yeah.
Good
Yeah.
job. That's what I'm talking about, fellas.
Oof.
Yeah, woo!
I was about to say, like,
Fire.
Did you guys know that he is Revendreth?
I gotta take a shower.
I'm sweaty.
I am
You know, for
so
all that bluster,
sweaty.
Lazy, you were top DPS even through shit internet.
Yeah.
Holy
Maybe he's a
shit,
god.
that
God
fucking fight is
Range
awesome.
privilege.
That fight is awesome. What a fucking...
Look at guild chat. This is beautiful.
Aw.
Look at all those achievements.
We did it.
Oh,
Mark and
yeah.
Day, congratulations on not
Fucking
going to D&D
Pog.
tonight.
Yeah, I'm really glad that our dungeon master got sick.
Grace
Oh
here.
man.
Oh, please, seal.
Heck
Come
no.
on,
Let him
Did you
know.
seal on the mouth?
No, I did that.